Okay, good day. Today I'm bringing to you an update version or beta version that I just released on 10th November 2023 on RetailMan. This beta version is the version after the very current one I'm showing you here. Here you are seeing version 2.7.73. In this version 2.7.73, I will like to show you a function that is added to the beta version. So here under the sales page, if you log in under this sales page, the staff name is not automatically show immediately except you select it. But in the beta version, the staff name will automatically show up. That is one. More security features is what is added to the beta version now. See here, in this very version, anyone that you give access in the latest one, anyone you give access to be able to change the name can change the name. Then if access is not given to you to change the staff name, that means when you log in, it's automatically going to show up and you will not be able to change it, not as it is in this current version. So, and in this beta version I'm talking about, you can be able to disable the staff, not to be able to click F7 and a pop-up, and you can be able to disable staff, not to view the screen, not to reprint on this particular beta version. So I have a lower staff password I have created, which is 12 is the password. Now this person login, as you can see, is able to view and is able to view the invoice. So but in the beta version, both reprint and this is disabled. What the person can do, he can send email and the person can be able to print delivery note. Okay, and now you can notice that when I log in, the name did not automatically show here. Here you can see that the invoice is blocked. I mean the date is completely locked up. So that is how the beta version is. You can be able to choose if you want it to lock up like this or not. So let's download now. We'll click easysolution.site. I want to download. Now in Easy Solution that I go to download. Now when you come to download, we are able them. So this is the latest version. That is the one that you just see me. But this is that is currently that came out on 10th of November 2023. So it's currently under test, but it is working, but you can test it too. So this very one is one that have the features I'm talking about. When the beta version is old or is fully tested, we are going to remove the beta version again and it will be found here. And when next we have beta version again, this will appear again. So for now I'm downloading this. Look at it downloading because I just finished downloaded one before, so it's time to install. Don't forget easysolution.site is where I make my download from. Please, you must do backup before you start upgrading your software. Now I'm continuing. Now you need to go to this, or this is the software I want to upgrade here. Remember, we have different icons on this desktop, so this is the particular one. So all I need to do is to right click, go here and copy the starting. Then you use it and replace the one that here, so that the system will know the one you are trying to upgrade. If you have more than one version, more than one installation in your system, make sure you don't have the software open. You will be able to see some of the features that is added after this upgrade. Okay, you can see version 2.7.74. that is the version I'm talking about. Okay, now I want to log in again, 1 2 with the password of the person. Okay, you can see the name of the staff is automatically taken, not like the previous version. Now here the person is still opening here. Now it's time for us to put a restriction. Now for you to lock off this place, that this staff cannot be able to choose the name or change the name to another name, this is what you need to do. I'm going to log in with the master password again. So we'll go to the user name, Joy, then we'll come over to security. So this is what is added: disable staff change, meaning from here you can disable that the staff can no longer be able to change. The staff will not be able to change their name anymore. That is where the feature is, under the maintenance. Disable F7. Then once you disable this F7, is also added to it. Then once you disable this F7, the other F7 that is in sales page will also be disabled. But in the previous version that you saw, when you disable this, the F7 is only disabled on the POS page. Because this is the POS setup. But currently it's not added, that when you disable it, it will also going to affect the one on the sales page. And this reprint, when you disable the reprint, it will also affect the reprint on the sales page, which in the previous version is not so. So let's look. Now I'm going to close the software. I'm logging in again with 1 2 by the password of Joy. Then I come over here. You can see that is the feature that is added in this new one. You can see that here is this F7 is no longer clickable. It's fully disabled. Other ones are enabled, but the only F7 is what is no longer clickable. Now, even if the customer, the staff is able to come here, okay, here I didn't enable the staff from here. It's not from the. You have enabled the staff to be able to view here, but even if before, you can click here and view. Now those ones are disabled. So even if the person come over here to view the staff like this, and to come over here and they can be able to view the screen, now it's disabled. You cannot view. You cannot view print, and you cannot be able to reprint. This too is disabled in this very version 2.7.74. 2.7.74. Now the previous one 2.7.73 can do all those things. So it is a better a better version. So you can test it, but I myself have deployed it in a very big place, 5-story building, and it is working perfectly for them. They have over 9 users and it is working fine. Thank you and have a great day. Once there is more update, we will be bringing it to you. If there is any new development, we will be bringing it to you. We'll also be showing you more updates. Once any new thing is added, we will try as much as possible. Just that sometimes we are too busy, but we'll try as much as possible to be telling you some of the new things that is added into our products. Don't forget to always visit easysolution.site and buy your license key from us, easysolution.site. Thank you.